Hi guys, welcome to Digital Rakesh channel guys. So guys, I'm discuss about that ad sequence ads on Google network. So in the Google AdWords, what is mean by ad sequence? So here, how it is work, what is ad sequence, what are the method will be follow in ad sequence, we can learn. First of all, any account you will be create. First of all, any Google account will be connecting in your YouTube channel compulsory mandatory field. Go to the setting. In the setting option, will be go to the channel. In the advanced setting, the compulsory your channel will link with your Google AdWords account. That is called ad sequence. Small information is there. Anyone suppose I have to take for A is my channel, A is my ads words, B is the channel. They can't link A and B, but we can't create the ad sequence ads from the Google AdWords. What are the priorities they will be follow for ad sequence? First of all, go to the your campaign structure, select new campaign. In this new campaign, we have option name is called video. The name is called ad sequence. Tell your story by showing ads in a particular sequence to individual viewers with skippable in-stream ads and your particular option non-skippable in-stream ads, bumper ad and mix. If you are coming to the particular goal you're selecting will be here, that will be called ad sequence. There is a two option with the goal, without goal. So the option will be selecting for brand awareness and reach. Suppose product will be going to option, they all give the ad sequence. So my option will be called brand awareness and reach. Now click for add sequence and click for continue. This campaign will be dependent by the CPV, cost per view, CPM, cost per mile. But this campaign always suitable by the CPM, cost per mile. In this, we have selecting for daily budget and campaign total. Now we can selecting for daily budget will be 100 rupees or 1000 rupees will be start. And this will be showing to this video only YouTube videos. The ads can appear YouTube video channel pages and YouTube homepage. You can use in-stream and video discovery ad. When will be people search, they will show by the video YouTube homepage option. So in your select your country and location, everything will be here. After that, language. Next will be in this option name is called age people and everything will be select. What are the age people you want? You can select the age people also. So in this one, audience selection. So what are the audience you can select here? So I'm selecting for here any Amazon audience will be select, that will be not possible. In a previous we'll discuss one video outstream. That outstream will be what we can purpose. The outstream will be we can target by the Amazon customers also. So inventory type, the standard, and here will be sequence templates, custom sequence, automate sequence, introduce and reinforce, prompt and inspire, attract and direct, engage and different shades. So I'm setting for here. Now click for add here. So here I tell you one option. Suppose I select this song, suppose. Okay. Now I am selecting here. See this one. They can't find out. What is the reason? The channel can't link with your AdWords account. Which channel can link with your AdWords account? They can create by ad sequence ad. This is a key point, keep it on your mind. Okay. When ad sequence ad will be create, so what are the options are here? That mean only we can promote your channel videos only. They can't promoting other channel videos. Now you can see your video will can show to this one. They show will be two option, skippable and non-skippable. Skippable in stream mean non-skippable. Non-skippable compass are looking for 7 seconds to 15 seconds. But with this will be skippable ad. After this one, we can connect to your channel option will be here and display your call to action. They give the 10 lakhs. Here will be learn more, subscribe our channel. So I give the subscription. In this, what is the budget of your CPM? Now will be, that is what is the CPM price? I'll give the CPM price will be 150 rupees. Your bid will be selected. I can selecting will be 15 rupees. Now selected. I'm selecting for 45 rupees. Now selected. I'm selecting for 65 rupees. It will selected. The recommended everything will be your below option. So that is a remaining for 64.14 paisa. I'll give the 65 rupees and create the ad sequence. So these all will be steps will be followed by add sequence option. Finally, you select by the option name is called create a campaign. Final one, they go to confirmation. What is the start date and mention end date? What is the campaign goal? So what is the my bid strategy? Cost per mile. They will be charged cost for 1,000 impression. What is the target country? India. What are the languages? And inventory type, standard inventory. Sequence steps, 1. Ad group 1. Ads will be 1. So how many videos will be create? N number of videos will be create. One more option, once video will be create. If you create another ad, you can create ads by when you're running ad time also. Finally, continue to campaign. This is a finally will be create here. Coming to the campaign option, go to ad sequence, ad group. So what are the ad you create here? This one done. Another ad will be here. Just click add your another ad also. How many sequence required? You can add the number of ads. No need to worry to create ad when running the campaign time also. What are the options you have? Everything will be create on the particular sequence option. So follow these steps, create the video sequence, promote your channel by using Google AdWords. That mean by the eligibility will be given on a particular channel by create a campaign. Ad sequence when you create the notice call, the Google AdWords will be connecting will be YouTube channel compulsory mandatory field. Don't forget to follow this condition. Create ad sequence, promote your channel videos by using CPM, cost per mile. That mean by cost per 1,000 impression. That is called brand awareness and reach option. Don't forget, if any question you can ask me my channel. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.